you're paying rent right now, stop scrolling. Because what if I told you you can secure a one-bedroom unit in BGC for only 18,000 pesos per month with no spot down payment required? Most people think buying a property in BGC requires millions upfront. That's exactly why they never start. But here's something most buyers don't know. At Uptown Modern, you can reserve your future one-bedroom unit with monthly payments starting at 18,000 peso or around $300. No spot down payment required, with only annual lump sum of 800,000, and it will be turned over by 2031, giving you years to prepare while your property grows in value. Think about it. 5 years from now, you'll either say, I wish I bought when prices were lower, or I'm glad I secured my unit before everyone else did. The difference is the decision you make today. If owning a property in BGC has always felt out of reach, this might be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Comment down one bedroom or send me a direct message. This is Jared Magnayi and welcome to Buhay Ahente. Salam.